Good morning everyone. I am going to teach you the second point, conservation theorem of angular momentum of a particle. Conservation theorem for angular momentum of a particle. Consider the particle having the mass is the m, and this particle moving with velocity v along the curved path with radius vector is r. Along the curved path with radius vector is r. Then its linear momentum is p equal to m into v, and angular momentum, it is denoted by capital L. It is denoted by capital L and defined as the moment of linear momentum. Moment of linear momentum. Moment of linear momentum. That is capital L equal to R cross P. R cross P. For the curved motion of a particle, the torque is responsible. That is, the toe be the torque acting on the particle, and due to this torque, the particle moves in a circular path. With a velocity v of mass m, and the radius vector of curved path is the small r. The torque toe is denoted by, that is the toe, letter toe, and defined as the moment of force. Therefore, toe equal to r cross f. Moment of force means that is the r cross f. This is the equation number first. But we know that Newton's second laws of motion, Newton's second law of motion, force equal to Newton's second law of motion, force F equal to mass into acceleration, that is the m into a. But acceleration of particle small a is nothing but the rate of change of velocity with respect to time, equal to, that is the F equal to m into dv by dt. After rearranging, we get F equal to d by dt of m into v. But m into v is nothing but the p, that is the linear momentum, p equal to m into v. Therefore, F equal to dp by dt. Now, putting these values of dp by dt means that is the rate of change of linear momentum. Putting these values in equation first, we get toe equal to moment of force, that is the r cross f, equal to r cross dp by dt. dp by dt. Rearrange this term, that is the r, that is the not r, d by dt of r cross p. But r cross p, now put r cross p equal to, that is the angular momentum. It is denoted by capital letter capital L. Angular momentum, it is denoted by capital L. Therefore toe equal to d by dt of r cross p and r cross p means that is the capital L, which is equal to d capital L by dt किंवा d by dt of capital L, that is the tau. If tau equal to 0, then d by dt of capital L equal to also 0. Hence, capital L equal to constant or consort. From this equation, it is clear that if external torque acting on a particle tau is 0, then its angular momentum capital L of particle remains constant or constant, which is the statement of conservation theorem of angular momentum. If external torque acting on a particle is 0, then its angular momentum of particle remains constant or constant. Okay.